Vechain's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And in today's video, I want to discuss the reason as to why we need to see a break above resistance at the 0.03213. And also an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Vechain chart, and also give you my breakout and breakdown target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of July when we saw this massive breakdown move giving us a low below the 0.02081. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we picked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And after getting the low for that second wave, we started a very impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.02923, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we continued to push even higher. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a rejection at a key area of resistance at the 0.03213. And as a result of this, I now have two possible scenarios that can play out. And the first one is that there are chances that we might continue seeing higher prices in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3 to get an extended Elliot wave count 3 to the next area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 2.618, which perfectly lies at the 0.03396. And that means that we need to break above resistance at the 0.03213 for us to fully maximize that target area. We also need to have in mind that since we have fully maximized our minimum target areas over here in the formation of this wave 3, and we are now getting rejected at a key area of resistance, if this pullback continues, then that would be suggesting that there are high chances that we have now topped in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made in the formation of this second wave to the highs that we have at the moment in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3, we can get a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.02806 and the 0.02682, which is the area that I have marked on the charts. So this is the area that we can expect that pullback in the formation of this wave 4 to get us into. That area should also continue acting as support, maybe see much of a consolidation before we can finally see another massive breakout in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5, in a move that can easily take us back above the 0.035. So that is what I have in mind and what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart for the next coming hours. So continue paying a lot of attention to this key area of resistance at the 0.03213, because a break above that key area of resistance means that we have not yet topped in the formation of this wave 3, and we are going to get one more new high in this wave 3 before we can start a pullback in the formation of this wave 4. But if we continue seeing that pullback in the next coming hours, then that is the start of a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4. So that is the price action to watch out for the next coming hours. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.